Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a Poundland and Home Bargains haul. So if you're interested to see what I got, then just continue to watch. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush. So hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Juliet and I do 3 videos a week on all sorts. I do lots of hauls, lifestyle, loads of stuff on this channel. So if it's the kind of thing you're interested in, there's a little subscribe button down there in red somewhere. I would love for you to click that and stick around. It's completely free and entirely up to you. Without further ado, let's get into today's Home Bargains and Poundland haul. So before I start, obviously I just need to make you aware that you all still need to be staying safe and shopping safely and adhering to all the guidelines. I don't want anyone to come at me. I have to go into Home Bargains and Poundland quite often for essentials for my dad, for like fish food, dog treats, things like that. So please don't come at me, because when I do go out, I do like to have a look around, because let's face it, it's my only time that I get to go out, and I am as quick as I can, but I'm not here to advocate that you should go out and you should obviously stay safe. But I just have to put that in there because I don't want to upset anybody. But it is still nice to see what is in the shops, because we aren't really getting out much at the moment. So I'm going to go straight in. I'm going to do Home Bargains and then Poundland. I picked up a few Easter bits which I'm in love with from Home Bargains, can I just add. So yeah, let's get straight into it. I'm just going to start off with a couple of food items that I picked up, because these, let me tell you, I thought we'd try them. I have tried, I've tested, they are phenomenal. These are the Saint bars, and these are from Home Bargains. I'm pretty sure they're only £1 a pack, and there's 5 bars in them. One is chocolate salted caramel. This one is coconut and chocolate, and 97 calories in a bar. Is incredible. They taste like, you know when you get like the Ferrero Rocher selection and they have like the Ruffalo in, is it called a Ruffalo? Which is like white chocolate rolled in coconut. That's what these taste like, and there's probably only 2 left in there. So next time I go in, I'm definitely going to be grabbing myself some more of those. Also in Home Bargains, you will know that if you watched my video the other day, I picked up this bamboo storage pot, which was £1.99. I did say they had loads of other bamboo storage and things in. They had like a bamboo bowl for £7.99, which was such good value for money. And they also had these. So these are bamboo chopping boards. It's a set of 4, and it says across the top, chop, slice, cut, dice. Slice, cut, dice, chop. That's it. So yeah, I picked this up. It's in a nice little bamboo and black holder, and I actually really wanted to try and do my own decals on the back for like fish, meat, things like that, instead of having those words on. But I couldn't resist, because these were only £7.99, and we've been looking at getting some chopping boards. We were looking at the Russell Hobbs ones, and they were like £30. So when I saw those for £7.99, I thought that was an absolute bargain, and they will go nice in my new kitchen when we get the new kitchen. I then picked up some slippers for my mum. She always likes these types of slippers, and I normally get them from elsewhere, but these were in Home Bargains and they were just £3.99, and I thought they were really nice. They're just grey, fleece inside, they've got little bows and diamantes on, and they've got the rubber bottoms, which is really good for her, like when she goes out into the garden. So yeah, I picked up those for my mum. The next thing I picked up were some French manicure nails. Now, I always get mine from Primark, but Primark is still closed here in the UK, and so I picked these up to try. I was going to stick them on for this video and trial them out, but I didn't get a chance. But there's 24 in there, and the glue for £1, so the same price as Primark. And these ones are like if I can get it up close, they're like a French fade, which you know that I love. So I'm going to give them a go. I will let you know how I get on, but I bought those. The next thing I got, which I was really impressed with the price on, and it was these like cheap AirPod version from Home Bargains. So you get the AirPods, or the AirPod replicas, and the case to charge them in, and it's got a 10-meter range and playing time of 3 to 4 hours, which, you know, is just enough for us, like when I'm cleaning around the house and stuff. So I thought they wouldn't be bad to try. There wasn't a price on them, but I thought I'll take them to the till and see how much they were. £6.99, guys. I think that's so good. So I picked up the grey pair as well from Matt. So I'm going to give them a go. I'll tell you how I get on. But it says there's a built-in phone mic so you can take calls through them. And you even get the charging cable included. So I thought that that was so good. There's so much on their fitness range at the moment. They had like really beautiful yoga mats that were pink with gold writing down. They had skipping ropes and resistance bands and ab rollers, so loads of gym equipment in at the moment, which is really good because if you know, since lockdown gym equipment is really hard to get hold of and has gone up so much in price. So yeah, Home Bargains had some really nice gym equipment and things in, so I picked up those. Last but not least, from Home Bargains, I have saved my favourite piece till last, and this is the little bit of Easter creeping in at Home Bargains, and it is this beautiful wreath. I love this. Now, there was one that I saw in B&M online that my friend showed me, and I really wanted to get it, but I don't need anything from B&M. So when I saw this in Home Bargains, I had to pick it up. It was only, I believe, £1.99, and I just really love it. It's got like little pieces of moss in the actual wreath itself, and it's just wicker or whatever this is. I don't know what it is. Wickery stuff, and then these yellow bits, and then the yellow gingham bow on the front. I just loved it. I thought it was adorable. They've got some really nice Easter bits coming in Home Bargains and in Poundland, so I'll show you what I picked up for Easter. But yeah, I love that. I'm gonna pop that pride of place there. Okay, so that was all that I got from Home Bargains, so I'll quickly move on to Poundland. Again, just a few things I got in Poundland while I was in there. The first thing I picked up was, if you don't know, Poundland do the most amazing educational posters, and with homeschooling at the moment, they have like literally been a godsend for me. And I picked up this one, which was times tables. I was writing all the times tables out for Leo, and it was just getting ruined all the time, so I found this, and it was just obviously £1, and it's just got all the times tables on, and I just thought that's so good to just put up and be able to help him learn his times tables. So yeah, I picked that up. The next thing I picked up were these. So it was just a 2-pack of mittens for Lucas, because he's going to be starting nursery when the schools reopen, fingers crossed, and he needed something to keep his little hands warm. So I picked up these 2 pairs for £1, and they're much better than the ones with the fingers because he can't quite get the hang of those yet. And I also picked up Leo another woolen hat, just £1. I mean, with Primark shut, that's amazing for him, just for school and stuff. So yeah, picked those up. I also picked a couple of things up in like the party aisle section. Just this little pack of happy birthday candles, which I thought was really cute. You got 20 candles and holders and a happy birthday there for £1, and also a pack of rainbow candles for £1. I was running low. I always just have candles in reserve for birthdays, and I used the last ones up on Lucas's birthday, so I was just restocking those. Next, in the kitchen aisle, I picked up some amazing little goodies. The first thing I picked up was just another one of these silicone things to get things out the oven. Now, you can't hold hot things for a long time with these, but I really like these because they're washable, they're just nice and neat when they go on your handle of your cooker, and they just look nice. And I've got a couple of these, so I grabbed another one for £1. And then I saw this, which I thought was so good for £1, and it is this juicer. They had it in pink and navy, and I got the navy one, and it's a juicer on the top, but this is glass as well, and so you can just juice straight into it, and then if you're doing orange juice or lemon juice, you can just pour straight out. I thought that was so nice because we've got a juicer and it is horrendous. It's just like a plastic thing that you juice, and then you have to take the sieve out, and it's just, yeah, this is better. Don't know why I'm going on about juicer. Okay, and the last thing in the kitchen aisle, which I was so happy I got my hands on, because these are actually Valentines, and I didn't think I would get my hands on one, but it was this heart toast rack. I saw this on Instagram, and I really tried to get one. I couldn't get one for Valentine's Day, but lo and behold, I went in and they had them after Valentine's Day. So I picked myself up one of these toast racks. I just think it's so cute, and I really loved that. So yeah, just £1 as well. You can't really go wrong with that. Okay, last but not least, my favourite little bits, which are again Easter from Poundland, were these little bunnies. I really love these. So kind of when I'm buying things for Easter and for Halloween and for seasons now, I'm trying to buy things that will last the years as opposed to buying things that I'll just throw away. So these little ceramic bunnies were so cute. So I don't know whether you can see on camera, but they're like a pearlescent kind of finish. I don't know whether I'm going to spray them yet, because I not only got the white one, but I also got the pink one and the yellow one and the blue one. So I got all 4 bunnies, and I was debating spraying a couple of them, like to make them more neutral colours, but I actually really love the bright colours for Easter. I think the boys will really like them, so I'm going to try and do like a little bit of a display with these. And these were just £1 each again, so I might try and get another couple and spray a couple gold and like have some more neutral colours for in the living room. But yeah, I just thought they were so cute and I couldn't resist. So yeah, I picked up those. That is it, guys. That is everything I bought from Poundland and Home Bargains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I would love for you to subscribe and stick around. And until next time, guys, take care. Bye.